In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly transfer your email marketing efforts from Mailblaze to SendPulse. For your convenience, the links to both Mailblaze and SendPulse are in the description below so you can try them out. Firstly, let's begin by logging into your Mailblaze account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option related to exporting or downloading your email lists and campaigns. Typically, Mailblaze allows you to export your contacts and templates in a CSV or Excel format. Ensure you have this data exported and saved securely on your device. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to SendPulse website. Sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, find the Import feature within the dashboard. This feature allows you to upload your email lists and templates. Follow the prompts to upload the CSV or Excel file that you exported from Mailblaze. SendPulse will then import your contacts and templates seamlessly. Now that your contacts and templates are imported, it's time to set up your email campaigns. SendPulse offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor that makes creating beautiful and engaging emails a breeze. Take advantage of this feature to design eye-catching campaigns that resonate with your audience. Once your campaigns are set up, you can schedule them for delivery at optimal times using SendPulse's advanced scheduling options. Additionally, you can leverage SendPulse AI-driven features such as segmentation and personalization to ensure that your emails reach the right audience with the right message. In terms of pricing, both offers free plan with limited features. Click the link in the description to try Mailblaze and SendPulse for free.